How to type in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can type this symbol that is at your computer or your laptop, and it's really simple. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now let's get started. So the way to type is simply using these keys. It's shift plus R2. So to do that, you can simply press shift, and while you press shift, just type in 2 and you'll get the symbol. Now if you want me to show you on the keyboard, let me just pull up my on-screen keyboard. So there we go. Let me show you guys how you can do it. So simply tap and shift, keep pressing it, and type 2. As you can see, there is the symbol. Now shift 2, keep pressing the shift and do 2. And that is basically how you do it. For some, it might be different. Press shift and use this this 2 commas line. For some, that is the symbol key. So you can use whichever you want. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.